Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to effectively use your Amex Gold Dining Credit. We will go through each step of the process so you can maximize your benefits. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Enrollment. Start by logging into your American Express account. Once logged in, navigate to the More tab on the menu bar. Then select Rewards and Benefits and click on Benefits. Find the section labeled $120 dining credit and click Enroll Now. As this screenshot shows, here you can find the offers. You can click on Explore All Card Benefits. Now, alternatively, you can enroll via the Amex mobile app by tapping the membership icon, selecting View All under Benefits and finding the dining credit section to enroll. If you prefer, give them a call using the number on the back of your card and request enrollment for the dining credit. Now, here you can see there are 24 benefits available and one of them is $120 dining credit. Now, in step 2, understanding the benefit. The Amex Gold Dining Credit offers up to $120 annually in statement credits and distribute as $10 monthly credit. These credits apply when you use your card at participating partners, which include GrabHub, The Cheesecake Factory, Gold Valley, Wine.com, and Five Guys. As you can see in this screenshot, they have described in details about $120 dining credit. According to their description, they said earn up to total of $10 in statement credits monthly when you pay with the gold card at participating partners. This can be an annual savings of up to $120. They also said enrollment is required. You can learn more about this offer from here. Now head to the step 3. Using the credit. To make use your dining credit, simply use your Amex Gold Card when making purchases at any of the participating partners. The first $10 spent on qualifying purchases each month will be credited back to your account, as you can see at this screenshot. Now, remember this credit do not roll over, so make sure to use them within the month. Now head to the step 4. Checking statement credits. After making a qualifying purchase, the statement credit should post on your Amex account typically within a few days, but it may take up to 8 weeks. To verify, check your statement or the transaction history in your Amex account to ensure the credit has been applied. Step 5. Maximizing your benefits. Combining your dining credit with other rewards offered by the Amex Gold Card, for instance, earn 4x membership rewards points on dining purchases and use Uber cash credits for Uber Eats if you are ordering at home. That's it. Thank you for watching this video step-by-step guide on using your Amex Gold Dining Credit. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and leave a comment if you have any question. We will come back to you soon with another informative video.